Holly McKhann here with Michelle Cecilin at the San Clemente Villas. She's the Director of Business Development, and I'm so excited to introduce this fabulous community to you so that if you know anybody who's 55 and older, they might want to consider moving to this really fun place. So Michelle, thank you for being here today.
Thank you, Holly. I'm thrilled to be
So
here.
tell us about this wonderful community.
It's very special. We opened to the community of San Clemente in October of 2002.
Okay.
And a few years ago we were purchased and underwent a multi-million-dollar renovation, as you can see. And we're reopening in a bigger, better way with ocean views, panoramic views of the ocean, this beautiful lounge, beautiful dining. The dining room overlooks the ocean. We have a movie theater, an activity center, a craft center, a library, and just a plethora of fun things to do everywhere. You'll even notice a shuffleboard in the Sky Lounge.
Oh, how fun. I'm thinking I might want to move in here. I know it's too soon. But, So how did you come to be working for this great place?
So my background, the past 12 years has been in senior living in Hollywood. And my father-in-law happened to need senior living last year, a year ago. And I checked 3 or 4 places out because I was in senior living. So the family said, you choose. And I thought I knew where we were going. And I walked into this place and I said, oh no, we're going here. We're bringing Dad to the San Clemente Villas because it was so special. The minute you walk through the door, you feel it. You feel it's home, you feel it's family. You can see that everyone knows each other. You can tell we're all looking out for each other. You know that there's tenured staff here, and you know that everyone's having a great day.
I love it. So tell us about the values and what's important to the San Clemente Villas.
So we have a value called ageless exploration. That's one of our top values. And that is hot air balloon rides. And we're going to Pechanga Casino next Thursday. So we do whatever our residents want. And if they can't think of something they want, we let them know what we have to offer, and then they jump on board. We have actresses that live here. We have singers that live here that put on performances. So we are cultured, we are into the arts, we are into the beach, we are into anything and everything. Whale watching, Casa Romantica, anything that would bring joy to someone, we make it happen here.
How wonderful.
Then we have our Better Together, which is really, it's what we do every day. We're just better together. You know, as team, as part of the staff, we're better together, but that's part of what we do every day, is make sure that everyone knows that we can just be better together. We take care of our staff, our housekeeping takes care of their rooms, our caregivers, you know, it's all encompassed with Better Together. And then our other core value is reason for being. And an example I can give you, we have a resident who really doesn't have family anymore, and she just was a little bit, maybe floundering a little, and now she oversees our shop, our gift shop, and she spearheads some of our activities too. So
that is so great. Yeah. I mean, I'm no expert in senior living, but I have heard it's so important to have a reason. So a reason to live, a reason to get up, a passion, a purpose or something. So that's so great that you can help people find that. So I love that. And we're gonna do a quick cut over to your fantastic chef.
One of the great things about life at San Clemente Villas is our residents are spoiled by our award-winning chef, Chef Boy Boy, who's been in the business for a very long time. Chef, why don't you tell us about your background?
Good afternoon. My name is Chef Boy Boy. I've been doing this chef for like 30 years, and been a chef for senior living for like 25 years, and I love the passion of serving our residents, spoiling them what they want. And one of our favorite dish to serve in our residents here is the pistachio crusted lamb rack with parsnip puree. That's like always our hit here. Every twice a month we serve that here.
All right, so when it comes to the renovation, is the entirety of the whole community getting renovated?
It is, Holly.
Oh.
Every nook and cranny in this beautiful building has been or is being renovated. Yes, our apartments, we have studios, 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. they've all been remodeled. So
Oh,
the
lovely.
fixtures, the cabinet, everything is brand new. And I'm happy to show you. And also, we have about 125 apartments, and we're more than half full. But we do, as the renovation progresses, we are getting more and more inventory. So now's a perfect time, really.
Well, and fantastic updates and renovations and ocean views from, I'm sure, from some of the units, and definitely the dining and the lounge. So what a great place to live.
Yes, thank you. I think so.
Can you tell us, like, do we have anybody over 100 years old living here?
We have over 5 centenarians. Right now we have 5, and we have a 6th one moving in next week that's 107 years old. So
goodness.
we're very excited. The whole community is talking about it. We couldn't be more excited. And 3 of our centenarians are 103.
Wow, what an accomplishment.
It's wonderful.
Well, and when you're living in a beautiful place like this, what a great reason to keep living.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly.
So what kind of amenities and services do you provide?
So we have 3 meals a day in our dining room, and in our bistro there's snacks all day long. So 24 hours a day you can get something to eat, something to drink. We have activities all day, every day. We also have transportation, Wi-Fi, cable, all of your utilities. Everything is covered except the telephone.
Got it. And most people have their own personal cell
Exactly.
phone anyway, so they don't need that. So can somebody age in place here? I mean, I know that that's suited for independent living, but can you provide higher levels of care as well?
Absolutely. So we do start with independent living, and then we move up to assisted living. And assistance might be you just need a little help with a few showers a week. So there's a little extra charge for that. Some people just need medication management because maybe they forget to take their medication at the same time every day. So we provide that as well. And then finally, you can actually age in place. We do end of life here as well, but we also do memory care. So you can, if your memory starts to fail and you need a little more supervision, a little more hands-on care, we have an area called Connections for Living that's secured.
Fantastic. So you can move in here and stay till the end. I love that.
Yeah.
So bottom line is, if you have anyone that you care about, or a friend with someone they care about, maybe a parent or a neighbor that's looking for a beautiful place to come, this could be it. They should definitely check out San Clemente Villas. Michelle, can you share the company's phone number?
Sure, it's 949-489-3400. Feel free to ask for me. I'm Michelle, and I would love to just show you around, give you a tour, and maybe you can stay for lunch.
Oh, fun. I did that once. It's really nice.
Yeah, complimentary.
So all of the company's contact info is in the description below. So definitely check out their website, their phone number's there. Anything, give Michelle a call. She'll take great care of you. Thanks so much for watching.